Good night, everyone. You don't know, sound boy and Android OS back again with the next tutorial video, which I'm gonna show you how to update the Android OS VPS app. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you what I'm supposed to do. Alright, now I'm gonna drop this in my channel, username and password. Alright, you see this now. I'm gonna have to save it to downloads, right? Click on them three look at that right there, so then after that I press on save to downloads. Cool. Boom, save to downloads. No, come out back now. I'm going to the app. I'm gonna click over here, so right down there, so then boom, click on it. Me already update it already and thing, but just to show an example. You know, click on no offline config. Alright, click on it. Alright, so what's on the state on the file manager, so when I go looking at downloads, click on downloads. Oh, hold on, I'll do it back over. Click on downloads. As you can see, the same file right there, so and let's click on the sticky box and then I press select down there, so select, boom, as you can see. So no new update is available. Please try again soon, because me already updated already. You see me? Alright, press on OK now. So username and password on the seat in the channel. See, so boom, copy this kind of text. Copy this. Boom. Then come in here, so now clear out the root. Paste. I'm go down now. The password and I put Android 3. I'm going to see it in the description. I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to see it in the description. And choose the tweaks, whichever one I go use. Alright, so I'm going to go with the music. Then press start. OK. And go to the logs. Let's wait a while. Connection kind of slow still. My phone not really pick up good. Come up. I'll stop it. On premium. Make sure my account is SSL. Let's start again. As you can see, connected. So let's choose whatever tweaks. Yeah, I want. So if you don't see it now, if you want to try it first, I want to see it now and connect. I want to just click on it up here. Click on it, put it on VIP. Then I click it again and put it back on premium. Then just do nothing and just go through. You see me? Yeah. So see? So I hate that, people. So stay tuned. More tweaks and more updates soon come out. And right now I'm working on the online update. That's when I have to do it the way there with the offline config. Yeah, so this one I soon be start using. Yeah, so soon as we fix that, we'll make it know. So have a great night, people. I'm out.